something like that. Oh, my table's gone. Oh no, table's broke. Now, a little while ago, I did a product review, and as you could see from that clip, it brought about the demise of my knockoff Lagun swivel out table leg. It simply snapped the end off. So anyway, because I'm not really sure on what I want to do with this van once the Vario's finished, I'm actually thinking of just maybe raffling this van off as it is, or I may redesign the interior, like getting rid of all these cupboards, put a shower here, and the kitchen worktop all the way along here, get rid of this kitchen and put some kind of little seating type area there, or maybe a fridge unit, for instance. Anyway, like I say, I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do with this van once I start using the Vario. I've got to do something with it because it is a bit tatty, it's a bit tired, it needs a bit of a revamp. But what I'm going to do with it after that revamp, like I say, I'm not really 100% sure. So when my knockoff Lagun table decided to be no more, I bought another one. But this one is off of a well-known cheap Chinese website. It did take about 2 months to arrive. So this is a knockoff of the knockoff. Is it any good? I don't know. It definitely looks a lot cheaper. It is nasty. This part where the table swivel out bit goes on looks like it's actually been made using a 3D printer. So how strong this is going to be is very, I don't know. Yeah, and if you look at the profile, it's like that 1990 stuff. It's like that extruded aluminium. It's a proper cheap one, let's put it that way. But in the pictures on this well-known website, it looked exactly the same as this. I mean, even the handles looked the same. But look at that, look how different they are. They are completely different. The photos on the website, the handles look exactly the same as this, but this is what you actually get. Yeah, it's just nasty. But I've got it. It was like 30 quid, right? Whereas this was, I think, about 80 quid. The proper Lagun one, or Lagoon, I think they're about 160, 150 quid. So by the time I've paid for this, I've probably spent the same amount of money as I would have done if I bought the proper one. Don't go cheap, it just isn't worth it. Right, let's get this out. We'll get this one fitted. Unfortunately, this won't slide straight into there because it's a different profile. And I was really hoping it would, but it won't. God knows what the thing's like. Let's have a look. This really is shit. See, the knockoff one has got these plastic inserts to make it swivel nice and smooth. The cheap one hasn't even got that, it's just bare metal. So how long this lasts, it's metal on plastic. How long that's actually going to last, well, we'll see. Is it going to be any good? I don't know. Right, so that bit goes on the table, on the bottom of the table. So we need to take that piece off. That's the broken one. Let's not get these bits mixed up. So I need to replace that for that. That's very similar, very similar. And then this is the piece that needs to go in there. Right, I'm going to shut up, assemble it, and we'll see how it goes, if it's any good or not. I mean, it might be all right, but I don't hold out much hope. Now, originally I wasn't really going to film this, but I thought, you know what, even though today is supposed to be a non-filming day, I may as well film this anyway, just to show you guys this nasty knockoff of a knockoff of a Laguna table leg. It is nasty. This table, by the way, came from a old Volkswagen campervan that I used to own many years ago. And I sold the camper and I forgot to give the new owner the table. But it turns out the people I sold the camper to were dealers. They were a campervan dealer, but they didn't tell me they were a dealer at the time. They led me to believe that they were private, so I didn't feel that bad after that. So I tried contacting them to let them know that they left the table behind. But then when I realised they were a dealer, I thought, you know what, I'm going to keep it just in case I ever build another camper. That's that. And here we are. 40 odd years old this is. It's got to be 40 years old. Now that, I don't know which way, oh, that must go like that. Which means that's going to stick out like that. This handle's going to stick out. So when I open my door, that's going to stop it opening. That's rubbish, that is, isn't it? Because the other table leg, the handle's on the side here. Oh, that's going to pee me off, that is. This might take a while. Get all these three out because this one's a bit stiff. So I thought if I take these out first, it might make this one a bit easier. There's always one, isn't there? And it's always the last one as well. Always the last nut. I'll be back when I've done it. There's no point me filming myself winding this all that way. Maybe a ratchet spanner might help. That's better. Got a ratchet spanner on it now. It's going to be tight all the way to the ends, isn't it? And people say I'll get those products for free. Not when I have to work this hard for it. That's not. I sacrificed my table for a Bluetti power bank or expansion battery. Gotta be kidding me. It's going to be one of those, isn't it? All the way to the very end. Gotcha. And now I've got to wind it all the way out. If only I'd bought a proper lagun swivel table, this probably wouldn't have happened. What a ball ache. It won't come out. Look at that, right to the very last bit of the thread. Oh, damn it. Now that's stuck. Come off. Fuck me. That is stuck on there. Why is it stuck? Screwdriver. Gotcha. Jeez. All that for that. Holy dog. Right, let's hope it's easier to put back. Let's hope some of the holes line up. Of course the holes don't line up. Why would they? Mind you, the bolts are a lot smaller, so that's going to be interesting. So let's put the one in that does line up. That one there. At least the bolt's long enough. That's one thing, I suppose. No doubt it's a different size Allen key. Of course it is. It wouldn't be the same, would it? Because there ain't nothing the same about these. What an absolute ball ache, eh? This has turned out to be a right mission. All because of a product review. Done. And that crappy thing, because this doesn't pinch like the other one pinched on. This one actually goes in, look. It's like, so this goes in and pushes against this front face. So that's going to leave very limited travel. So that's going to be like that. So when I open this door, it's going to hit it. I mind you, I can still get to that. That's that done. This, I'll take it, doesn't matter which way round that goes, because it's nasty no matter what or how you look at it. Look, that's all scratched already. Look how loose that is. Look at that. What is that all about? There's two screws holding that in there. And they're not even done up. Oh, that's because they don't do up. They just spin round and round. Yeah, look at that. it's the bolt in the middle that holds it. What a load of rubbish. Look at that. Yeah, can you tell I'm not happy with it? The end cap just fell off. Oh, what a load of crap. Absolute rubbish. There we go. Yeah, that's not going to last 5 minutes. Alright, what goes on now? There we go. There's bits coming off everywhere. Look at that, it's falling apart. Okay, this is one product I won't be leaving a link in the description to, because quite frankly it is utter complete rubbish. That has got to be the worst swivel table I've ever experienced, and believe me, I've fitted a few of these, various designs. How long that lasts remains to be seen, but there you go, I've got a table back. I can now sit here again with my laptop. Would I? Should I? Should I risk putting my laptop on this? What a load of rubbish. I wonder what will happen if I tighten that nut, that Allen bolt up. Is that going to make it any better if I tighten that up? Nope. Yeah, this is definitely going to be getting a really bad review on Temu. I love this table though, look at that. It's genius. Table leg, not so much. That's not going to last 5 minutes. What a load of rubbish. I don't know if it's going to last, but at least now I've got a table of sorts, or I need to make it a bit higher because I like to have it so that it locks in this ridge up here, which will probably help actually. Will it lock into there? What a load of rubbish, look at that. I wouldn't want to put anything heavy on this. I certainly wouldn't want to put a cup of coffee on here. Does it lock on top of there? Yeah, that's a little bit crap, to say the least. I think saying that this is crap is is being kind. Let me know what you think. Do you think I just wasted another 30 quid? Should I have just brought a proper Lagun table leg to begin with? I think I've learnt a lesson here. All right, I know I was a little bit skint when I built this van, hence it's built out of cladding and old bits of wood that I found in skips and stuff, but I should have just gone ahead and brought a proper table leg instead of wasting money on this crap. Look at that. That's just not going to last. That really is absolute rubbish. Anyone want to buy a cheap knockoff table leg? I'll tell you what, I wouldn't even sell this to anyone. I don't think I'd even give it to them for that matter. I wouldn't be that cruel.